Yeah.
Yeah, let's go have a smoke sage in the park for you to enjoy some nature. Manje, someone would think I moved to the...
Help me, dog.
What's happening? What's happening?
Call the cops on your phone.
For what? Hold up.
They stole my car.
Why are you in your undies? Where's your shoe? Where's your sock? Where's your shirt, dog? What happened? What happened, dog?
They stole my car.
Who? When? How?
I parked it here like 3 minutes ago. Like, bro, please help me out, bro.
Hold up. I'm gonna help you out, but which way did they go?
That's the best thing is to
Hey. I'm trying to help you, dog. The cops are gonna get you one time.
Okay, they went that
They would have
way.
been, if the cops come, bro, they would be over Zimbabwe. They're in Zimbabwe already, dog.
Bro, they took my car.
Dog, relax. You might just find your car, dog.
But it
Which
went-
way did they go?
They went
Did you
that
see how
way.
they look?
What you gonna do?
Did you see how they looked?
There were 2 white people and 1 black girl.
What were they wearing?
They were wearing, the white girl was wearing a short tight, tight.
So ain't like you thought it was a hook on the street, so you decided to order. That's how they stole your
Let
car.
me tell you what happened. I was chilling here with my yellow car, the BAJAJ. Then I bought
Yeah,
I bought it for-
I remember.
Yes, I had it here, and then after that, I was chilling there. And then this black girl came to the window. Was like, "Hey, hi, let's go chill by the park."
Okay, so you, in your right mind, you go chill at the park with a random person, dog.
It's
Are you okay?
no, she's looking nice.
No, but okay, no, but
But they
dog.
just stole my car. And